Hey YouTube, this is Fix It with Biscuit. We're under the old F150 and I wanted to show you that this here is the idler control arm I just changed. And what I'm wanting to show you is that this one here is just, straightforward. It's easy. You grab a pickle fork and you stick the pickle fork on that ball joint there and knock it out, and you just take those two bolts out. But what I really want to show you is this here is your pitman arm, and these things are a booger to get off. These are a bear. And here you can see that there's like no room. I mean, that's, oh, let me get in here. This here is literally 3 inches or so in between the frame, and you're not getting a puller in there. So the best way to do that, and I didn't video it, I should have tried, and here's the one that came off. The best way to do that is take and cut it. I just took a grinding wheel and I grinded it right here on the edge. You can see where I nicked the steering a little bit. That's not that big of a deal. It's just the outer casing right here, which is, you can stick your finger up inside that casing. Sorry guys. Okay, anyways, this casing here, you could cut this whole section off about that far and it wouldn't make a difference, in my opinion. But anyways, so what you do here is you just split your pitman arm, and you take a chisel, or a pretty good one, and you stick in there and you smack it until it splits it enough down, and then you can just tap it right off and it'll come right off. Just super simple, super easy. Just wanted to show a little tip of that. So thanks for watching, and we will have more on the old F150 coming up, I'm sure. I need to change the coil packs on this and do a tune-up, which that is a tune-up. Basically is you do your coil packs and your spark plugs, and we'll get those changed out. Gonna end up putting some shocks on it, because the shock on the passenger side over here is bad. It's leaking. And trying to think of what else we're going to do to it. I don't know. Oh, another thing that we're going to do is we're going to put a visor on top and Nerf bars. So, yep, we'll stay tuned for that, guys, and thanks for watching.